Hi, welcome to the University of Kentucky's Alumni Association Alumni and Student Platform. We are pleased to share with you Wildcat Network. Wildcat Network is an online community for Wildcats to plug into a network of Wildcats across the globe and stay connected with UK. Created to engage UK alumni and students, Wildcat Network serves as a resource for professional networking, mentoring, events, and employment opportunities for Wildcats worldwide. The page you are seeing right now is the landing page when you go to www.wildcatnetwork.com. To create an account, you will press the Get Started button. You can create an account and log in to Wildcat Network with your LinkedIn, Google account, UK Link Blue login, Apple ID, or other email address. We recommend using LinkedIn since it pulls your information from your LinkedIn profile. This makes the registration process seamless and easy. I have already created an account, so I will log in. The page that populates is the main page for Wildcat Network. This page can be broken down into a left bar, middle area, and right side. The middle area displays the main feed where users can engage through posts. The right side displays different widgets to advertise news and information and links to the Alumni Association's social media. The left bar is how users can get to other pages in the platform. Through the directory, users can find and engage with fellow UK alumni and students. Users can also view other users that are willing to help with career transitions, career advice, willing to serve as a speaker or panelist, and many more. This is a great way that users can utilize the informal flash mentoring aspect of the platform. The mentoring link allows users to find a mentor from a selection of other users that have selected the Offer Mentoring section on their profile. Users can also join formal mentoring programs built in the platform by their respective college or career center. The next tab is the job board. Many of the postings on this job board are pushed from the UK student and alumni job board called Handshake. You may be directed there to complete an application. Alumni can also post employment opportunities. The next tab is photos. Photos and albums can be uploaded, viewed, and users can tag each other in pictures to further engagement and relationships. The next section is groups. There are 5 alumni groups such as Alumni Band, Pride Cats, and LTJ, 65 alumni clubs, and the 19 academic college groups are built in the platform. Users are automatically added to many groups during registration based on the profile attributes they select. Next is the events board. The events board is where users can view, register, or add their own upcoming events. Following the events board is the Big Blue Business Directory. The Big Blue Business Directory showcases UK affiliated businesses. Finally, there is a resource tab where any type of resource in relation to the platform can be accessed. Thank you for listening to this tutorial on Wildcat Network. If you have any questions, please email wildcatnetwork@uky.edu. We hope you join our community soon. As always, go Cats!